Hi guys! So in this video, I'm going to show you how I schedule my Instagram content for the upcoming weeks and months so that I don't have to worry about it on a daily basis. To do this, I use later.com. I absolutely recommend them. And if you click the link in the description bar, you can get a discount on signing up for Later yourself. So let me show you a little bit about the platform. Let me show you a little bit around the platform and how I use it to schedule my content. So I'm here, and here you can see all of the content that I have queued. I love to repost and share the content of other amazing creators. This is also a hack, a blogging and content hack that I've learned. You don't have to be a content creator. You don't have to create everything. Sure, you should create some original content, but it's also a great strategy to share the content or curate the content and share it of other people as well who are closely aligned in your niche, because your audience will also like that. That's just a different strategy. You can be a content creator who only creates your own content and shares your own stuff, which is absolutely fabulous and fine. And if you can maintain that level of creation, fabulous. I, on the other hand, tend to mix it up. I like to create my own content, but I also love to share amazing, wonderful, beautiful things that I find around the internet. So if you see here, this is here you can see all of the posts that have already been posted that are currently live on my Instagram with this little Instagram icon in the right hand corner. And these are the ones that are still pending to schedule. So I kind of have a theme going with my Instagram. Here I have this is where I usually share other people's content and then I tag them. Here is where I usually post my own stuff or things that I think are funny or pictures of me, or that's what I usually do here. And then here I usually share blog posts or inspirational quotes. I'm still kind of developing the theme, but progress, not perfection, right? All right, so here we have the last thing that I posted, and then I want to make sure that the things that are pending are in the correct order that I want them to fit my theme. So, And I like to go in and do this about every week or so. Um, I've also done it in the past where I've scheduled for the entire month. That makes it a lot easier too. But then the thing that happens is that at the end of the month, I have to go in and remember to post, because then um, uh, I'll fall into not posting again for another month. So to keep myself up to date, I just do it every week or so. All right, so I like where this is. It's an inspirational quote. This too, and then I love this photo. And I have all these people tagged. And then I have this here. Brains are the new tits. I love this photo of this woman. It's absolutely beautiful. And then I tag where I got it from. Um, and this is basically content for the next 2 weeks. If you see here, oops, let's go ahead and save this. And then I will go, okay, we got a conflict. Wonderful. If I go to the month view, you can see all of these two things have been already auto-published. And then next up is this, which is scheduled to go out tomorrow. That's fine. And then next week, we have 3 posts on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then the following week, we have one on Monday and Wednesday. So these, and you can see these here have already been set to publish automatically. I'm going to go ahead and make this one to publish automatically, whether or not I have a caption. Although I should just go ahead and make the caption right now. But I want to have some more time to come up with a caption, so let's just go ahead and auto publish. And I like my content to go out at 8 a.m. in the morning. This is 10 a.m. So let's go ahead and change the time. Boom. All right. So although these things are scheduled for the 3rd of, that's going to be August, September, I don't too much have to worry about it because I'm just going to get a notification saying that, hey, you're supposed to post this at 9 a.m. It's not going to automatically post to my feed. because I don't know if it's in the order that I wanted. I don't have a caption yet written for it. So it's not too big of a deal. I could also just remove it from my schedule. But I will just move them over so I have a little bit of a buffer. And when I go in next week to schedule content, I'll just go ahead and schedule those things then. So really quick, I just want to go in and make sure everything has a caption and my hashtags that is automatically set to publish. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, I should probably add some great hashtags. Let's see here. So you can go here, saved captions, and I have hashtags saved as captions. So I can just go in and automatically add in my hashtags and save. Beautiful. So then this photo, I don't remember where I got this from. I got this photo from one of these like meme pages that just post content from other people. And when that happens, I like to just say, hey, tag the model. And then if someone successfully tags her, then I will then go ahead and tag her. But I hate to not attribute credit to where the content comes from. But that's just the nature of Instagram these days. Sometimes, these photos go viral and you stumble upon them and you just don't know where they originated. So here is the same thing I saw this and I loved it. So I'm just going to say tag the creator. I'm going to add my hashtags. Boom, boom, boom. And then I will write a little caption about it. So do it from love, not for love. Do it from love, not for love. I mean, I could go ahead and write a whole big caption about this, but the message is simple. It's do it from love, not for love. I really don't need to add anything there. Maybe I can just add a little emoji. And voila, progress, not perfection. I want my followers to see this message and be inspired by it. I'm not going to sit here and spend an hour trying to add to something that is already perfect. That's the thing with these caption posts. So brains are the new tits. Say it ain't so. Wonderful. And then I'll add some clapping hands. Yes. Let's add some hashtags. Boom, and save. And then this one as well. Really, this is just a mood. This is just a vibe. This is just so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I don't really have much to add to this, honestly. Perhaps I will add, I know what I'll add. I'll add a sparkle emoji. Boom. And that's that. You can also, if you'd like, add a location. In your dreams. There you go. And that will populate in your post once it's published. And there you go. Today is the 20th of August, and I have content throughout the remainder of the month. I'm all good. Everything will post automatically, and it's absolutely fabulous. I just need to go in, and then I will start doing the same thing that you see here for the month of September. All right. So the way that Later works is you just, you can upload pictures into the media, and then you have your calendar So here's all, okay, so let's say I have here a picture. This is of Miss Universe that I absolutely love, and I want to just drag it over here and upload it. And then of course I'm going to tag her. So let me get her Instagram handle. So I'm just going to copy that. And then once that's uploaded, I'll show you what to do. All right, so the media is now uploaded. All I have to do, there's a month view, a week view, and like an Instagram timeline view. I like this view. It's okay. You can just click, oops, you can just check mark it and then add to preview. And there you go. It's going to show you what it will look like in your feed, and you can drag it to wherever you want it. So I already know these things are already set to publish. So I'm going to put this after all of my published things. And then later we'll kind of automatically, oops, let's go ahead and save that. Later we'll automatically place the post where it needs to go to fall in this particular order on your timeline. So if you go here, you'll see here's my last post, and right after it is the one that I just uploaded. There it is. So when I'm ready, I would go ahead and write my caption. You can tag her here, and then you can also, oh, you have to auto-publish it, and then you can tag people automatically in the post. So she'll be tagged automatically in the actual picture, and you'll see her username in the caption. All right. Heart. Let's do a little sparkle as well, because she is Miss Universe. How about a queen? No? Crown? Yes, a crown. And I'm going to add my hashtags. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, my computer's dying. Gotta plug it in, and my timer's going off. Thank you very much, Apple. All right. So I can add a location if I want. I can change the time and the date that I want this to go out. It's set to auto-publish, and I would save it, and it would go ahead and auto-publish on whatever day that I want. And then of course I can drag and drop it in the calendar view as well. So let's see. I don't know if I want it to go out on that day. No, because you know it doesn't really go with my theme. I just wanted to show you. So what I would do is just go back in, send me a notification, whatever, that's fine. Just don't auto-publish it. And I will go in throughout the week to go ahead and publish, schedule everything to go with the theme of my Instagram profile. Like that. See, that looks a lot more cohesive. Make sure you save the changes, and that's it. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.